How do you say house in Spanish? The word for house in Spanish is casa. Casa. For example, mi casa es pequeña, pero bonita. Mi casa es pequeña, pero bonita. My house is small but pretty. Vamos a tu casa esta noche. Vamos a tu casa esta noche. We're going to your house tonight. The word casa can mean house or home in Spanish, and the phrase en casa means at home. You can say en casa or even en mi casa to mean at my home. Bienvenido a mi casa. Bienvenido a mi casa. Welcome to my home. Estoy en casa ahora. Estoy en casa ahora. I'm at home now. Tienen una casa en el campo. Tienen una casa en el campo. They have a house in the countryside. So if you want to say house in Spanish, you say casa. And if you want to learn to speak Spanish, you can get my course 3 Minute Spanish by going to www.3minlanguages.com. Use the code WELCOME at checkout for a discount. Gracias.